Hello students, welcome back to the Digital Learning English class at St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. As you all know, I am Mrs. Manikya Chikmat, your English teacher for 3rd standard. Dear students, in our previous video, we did reading practice of the poem number 6, One Thing at a Time. So, in this video, we are going to analyze this poem one thing at a time. Let's analyze this poem one thing at a time. Dear children, this is the one of the beautiful and meaningful poem. Let us see. So children, this poem teaches you whatever you do with your full attention and concentration. Whatever you do with your full attention. Either whether you study or play or do anything work, you have to put your full attention, your full concentration on that work. So, what's the poet said here? Work while you work, play while you play, to be useful and happy. And that is the way. Dear children, you have to do your work with the full concentration and focus. Whatever you do with your focus and concentration on that. If you put your full focus on your work, that work will be very good and you will success in this work. Then you will be happy. So, whatever you do, you have to do with your full concentration and focus on that work. If you want to study, you have to study with your concentration. You should not disturb here and there. You have to put your whole concentration on your work, on your study. Then you will success. Then you will be success in your study. And this success makes you feel happy and great. When you have to play, when you want to play, when the playing time is there, you have to play only. And you should put your all concentration in the game. Then you will enjoy the game and feel happy and also win the game. And what poet said here, whenever you want to do any work, you have to do with your all dedication. By heartily you have to do that work, then it will be success and makes you perfect. If you are watching your favorite TV show along with your study, you cannot do both the work properly. Either you cannot complete your homework or study or not watch properly your favorite TV show. So, you have to do only one thing at a time. Then only you will be perfect and will get a success in your work. In second stanza, all that you do with your might. Things done by halves are never done right. In this, poet said that all that you do with your might. It means whatever you want to do, you have to do with your might. Your might means your strength. Whatever strength you have to put in your work. You have to give your 100% effort in your work. Then it will be success. Things done by halves are never done right. Things done by halves. Halves means halves, it is a half plural form. Half, halves. Things done by halves are never done right. If you leave any work half or incomplete, that work will not be good and that is not useful to you. And half things never give you satisfied and will not give the success properly. Half things will not be good work. So you have to put your full effort in your work. You should not leave any work in between. You should not do any work incomplete. Incomplete works cannot give the success. In third stanza, one thing at a time and that done well is a very good rule as many can tell. So, children, in third stanza, poet said that one thing at a time. You have to do one thing at a time, and that is the way, and that is the way to do the work, and that done well. That done well. That work will be done very well, very good, and you will get a success. You will get a good result in that way is a very good rule, as many can tell. And this is the very good rule, and many can tell. Everyone will tell this. The rule is very good. You have to do one thing at a time. This is the very good rule. This is the very good rule you have to follow in your life. So, dear children, this completes our sixth poem, One Thing at a Time. I hope you all understood this beautiful poem and will follow the good rules. Good rules, that is one thing at a time. So, dear children, you all have to recite this poem again and write in your classwork. This completes the explanation of this poem, One Thing at a Time. Thank you.